My goodness, this one's gonna lose for sure. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole. I'm very excited about today's video. Like the title says, I am going to be figuring out which brand of cookie dough ice cream has the most cookie dough. You all know by now that my favorite food is ice cream. I'm very picky about my ice cream because I'm an ice cream connoisseur. And so I want to make sure that I'm getting the most bang for my buck when I'm getting cookie dough ice cream. It's one of my favorite flavors. I don't know if it's my most favorite flavor, but it's enough of my favorite to need to know which pint has the most cookie dough. So today we're testing 4 different brands of cookie dough ice cream. Our first contestant is Halo Top Creamery. At 360 calories per pint, this light ice cream is a good source of protein. Contestant number 2 is our Ben & Jerry's ice cream. This is a fan favorite. Vanilla ice cream with gobs of chocolate chip cookie dough, says the Pint. You can't go wrong with Vermont's finest. Our third competitor today is So Delicious Cookie Dough Ice Cream. It's dairy-free, made out of coconut milk, and as the Pint says, gluten-free, non-dairy frozen dessert. And lastly, contestant number 4 is Haagen Daz, classic chocolate chip cookie dough ice cream. I am so excited to see which of these pints has the most. I'm just gonna take a stab at it and say that the Ben & Jerry's pint is gonna have the most. I don't know why, but I just feel like I'm lifting these up. This one's pretty heavy. This one's definitely not, but this also is light ice cream, so like, might be why it's light. And then, I don't know about that one. I really do think it's gonna be Ben & Jerry's, but I wanna know what you think. So cast your vote in the comments below. Let me know which pint you think is gonna have the most cookie dough. Before we get started, give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you're not already so that you can be part of the best family ever. Okay, let's go. I think we should start with our Halo Top, just because for some reason I think it's gonna be easiest. You had me at Halo. I didn't really think this through before I started. I'm not sure how difficult it's going to be to get the cookie dough out of the ice cream, but we will see. Okay, it looks like I've got, oh, these are little chunks. These are little, this is gonna be hard. Oh my gosh, I did not think this through. Oh, there's 2 more chunks in there, Nicole. Okay, well, you know, this might be a little harder than I thought.
6 hours later.
All right, I'm bringing in some utensil reinforcements. Maybe this will be easy. Oh, that was a good way to get them out. These chunks are teeny tiny, man. I don't know about y'all, but I like to have big globs of cookie dough. I made cookie dough ice cream the other day. I just got an ice cream maker from Pampered Chef, and it's so tiny and cute. And I had made edible cookie dough from one of my TikTok videos. Let me know if you saw that video. But I decided to put chunks of that cookie dough in the vanilla ice cream. Best decision ever. It was so good. I feel like I'm doing surgery on this pint of ice cream. I wonder if this would be easier if I waited until all of it melted and then I just took the chunks out of the melted ice cream. Wow, there's actually not a lot of chunks in this one. Yo, this is wild. I like them big. I like them chunky. Chunky. I saw Madagascar 2 68 times growing up. That is not an exaggeration, I actually counted. No chunks in that either. My goodness, this one's gonna lose for sure. I see a chunk. It's like 1/8 of a teaspoon. I feel like I'm mining for gold, except with a lot less professional tools. This is ridiculous. Ridiculous, I say. I'm gonna write them a letter. Tell them they need to put more chunks. This is gonna take me all day.
75 years later.
Did I get the right kind of ice cream? There is no cookie dough in this. Now we're getting to the good stuff. Oh, you just flung right off there, sir. Get in that pile. That is it. Oh my gosh. Let's do the So Delicious coconut milk. I feel like we should start with all the dairy-free ones first. Whoa. These chunks are so much bigger. We're just gonna do a little dissecting and see what we can find. Yeah, oh, these are easier to get out too because they're bigger. Take note, Halo Top. If I'm eating cookie dough ice cream, I want it to taste like cookie dough, not coconuts. Let me know if you're like that too. I don't know, I can't get into it yet. Beep, 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 come on out. I wish I could just use that tool in Photoshop that you can like select everything that's not cookie dough and hit delete. I'm just gonna sit here and eat all the pints. That's one way to do it, Nicole. Eat all the ice cream around the cookie dough while you're going through. Oh, here's a big one. Oh my gosh, look at how big that is. Y'all, this is tough. This is not easy what we're doing over here. And that is the last, is that the last one? Yeah, that's the last one. Check that out. 3 times more than the Halo Top. This was the So Delicious ice cream. I'm very fascinated by this process that we're doing, you guys. This is a great experiment. I'm still curious. I still think Ben & Jerry's is gonna take the cake. But I'm wondering how easy it's gonna be to get the cookie dough out, because it's like, usually it's just like a bunch of stuff all in the pint, you know what I mean? Don't waste any ice cream. Let's go, I'm gonna do Haagen Daz next. I wanna save Ben & Jerry's for last, because I truly think it's gonna have the most. Haagen Daz, though, might come in a close second. I feel like they load theirs up pretty good as well. Ooh, if I can even open it. Going with the teeth. Oh my gosh. Really sealing these tight there, Haagen Daz. All right. My grandpa calls this brand Hogs and Dogs. We're going with some Hogs and Dogs. This so far wins for quality of cookie dough chunk size. They're nice and big. So I'm starting to get a lot better at this. I'm gonna add this to my resume. Skilled at taking cookie dough out of pints of cookie dough ice cream. Oh, this tastes good. Ooh! So far, I like this one the best. Did your parents ever tell you that you couldn't play with your food? Mine did, and I definitely feel like I'm playing with my food right now. Sorry, Mom. Got one. I found a new strategy. Eat the ice cream and take the dough out.
One eternity later.
There it is. Hey, I can do this because I'm the only one eating this. Perks of living alone. Okay, that looks a little bit either equivalent or a little bit less to the So Delicious one. Oh no, oh no! Ah! I just spilled it all over the floor. Moving on to the final contestant, we have our Ben & Jerry's classic cookie dough. Now they have lots of flavors that have cookie dough in them, but I wanted to use the classic cookie dough. I wanted to make it as fair as possible. I really do think this one's gonna have the most chunks, but we will see. These chunks are so big. Wait, I gotta clean it off. Wow, that is a quality chunk. So yummy. Oh my gosh, I forgot how good Ben & Jerry's cookie dough ice cream is. What is your favorite brand of cookie dough ice cream? It might not be one of the ones that I got, but let me know. I'm interested, so put it in the comments below. I feel like I'm doing an Easter egg hunt where I'm like, oh, there's another one. It's like a treasure hunt, and I'm finding all the little Easter eggs. This is the most fun I have had all week. I'm easily entertained, you guys.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Eureka, we have reached the end. Yum! All right, I've just washed off all of the cookie dough so we could actually see which one has the most, and the results are shocking. The Ben & Jerry's definitely has the most now that everything is washed off and it's just the cookie dough that remains. You can tell that the chunks are the biggest, they're the most round, and the mound is the highest. I don't even need a scale to see that Ben & Jerry's won. The So Delicious one was a little deceiving. I thought it was gonna be second place, but now after having washed off all of the ice cream and the extra chocolate chips, it's not as big as I thought. However, I was impressed with how big the chunks were. Haagen Daz comes in second. They were so close. I am super impressed by how round and chunky their cookie dough chunks were. They like really stayed in their chunks well, and that was super cool, but not quite as big as Ben & Jerry's. And then Halo Top is just a joke. Like, this one is the one that surprises me the most because there's literally no chunks there. It's just a big glob of goo. Like, you can see little baby chunks, but it's all melted, and it was like there was no chunks at all. Like, I think if that was all put together into one chunk, it would equal one of these Ben & Jerry's chunks. Wow, I'm shocked. I never knew that there was so little cookie dough in Halo Top cookie dough ice cream. I wonder if these would actually turn into cookies. Should I bake them? I kind of think we should give it a go. I'm gonna air fry them just because I don't want to turn my oven on. I'm pretty sure the Halo Top one is not even gonna make a cookie, so we're not even gonna try that. Just going to quickly line my air fryer basket. This is the Haagen Daz one. Oh, it's so slimy. That's the bottom right corner is Haagen Daz. And then, so delicious. Oh, it's so slimy, I don't like this. Goes right there. And then finally, Ben & Jerry's. This is really nasty. I regret this decision. Ah! Ben & Jerry's goes right there. Okay. Into the air fryer they go. Best of luck. All right, moment of truth. Wow. 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 Oh, wow. That's all I can say. I don't even know. Oh, I don't even know what I don't even know what I'm thinking. Okay, I got 1 minute. I'm gonna take these out. Ah! The results are in, ladies and gentlemen. This is fascinating. Wow. Okay, the So Delicious one is still in a ball. I don't even think this is actual cookie dough. Like, it's just like straight up firm, okay? The Haagen Daz one looks nice. I think it was a little bit more cooked because there was less dough. And then the Ben & Jerry's one is definitely bigger and it's still super gooey. Like, this needs to cook a little bit longer, but I think if I cook this like 2 or 3 more minutes, it would be perfect. These flattened out really nice. Like, they look great. I think this is actual like cookie dough that's made to be in a cookie. Is this what you thought would happen? Comment below if you thought that the Ben & Jerry's and the Haagen Daz would do this, and then if the So Delicious one would just stay as a ball. I wanna know what's in this stuff. This was wildly fun. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did making it, because I am so fascinated and impressed by this. If this video made you smile and you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Hope you have a great rest of your week. Bye guys.